Starting with this module, we want to begin building some of the more dynamic and interactive sections of our application. So in the next few lessons, let's explore how to work with forms and submitted data in MVC. First, we'll begin by reviewing how our legacy Web Forms application handles HTML form submissions. We can then move on to discuss how this process works in MVC. This will require a strong understanding of model binding, which is a really powerful feature of the MVC framework. We'll then step through our application's data layer to get a better idea of the structure that we'll be working with. We also want to finish rebuilding the actual HTML of our form using Razor, which will help make our markup more dynamic and more friendly for model binding. Finally, we'll step through the logic of how to process the incoming data from our form and persist it to a database. Our application will start to become much more than just static markup in this module, so let's move ahead and get started on all this.